Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Let's describe the picture and questions-answers practice. The scene shows a lively and colorful laundry room. 4 children are actively cleaning the room. There is a girl on the left is mopping the floor. She has short brown hair and a cheerful expression. She is wearing a pink sweater and blue jeans. Her yellow boots stand out against the brown floor. The girl appears to enjoy her task as she smiles. Next to her, another child is holding a mop. This child is playfully balancing upside down on the mop. They are wearing a green top and green pants. The child also has brown boots and a white headband. Their curly hair is tied back. A girl crouches nearby, smiling mischievously. She is laughing at the antics of the child balancing on the mop. This girl has black hair tied in a ponytail. She is wearing a purple top and pink pants. Her bare feet suggest she might have stepped in water. To the right, another girl is kneeling on the floor. She is wringing out a yellow cloth into a red bucket. The girl is wearing a striped pink and white sweater. She has blue jeans and yellow rain boots. Her long brown hair is neatly brushed. Behind her, there is a white washing machine. On top of the washing machine, a stereo is playing music. The stereo is black with visible speakers. Music notes float in the air to show the sound. Near the stereo, there is a bottle of detergent. The detergent bottle is pink with a small handle. There is also a bottle of softener on the shelf above. This bottle is light purple with a white cap. A window in the background lets in sunlight. The window has a green landscape outside. The sky appears to be clear and blue. The room has a tidy, teal-colored wall. The floor is wet, with puddles scattered around. One puddle reflects the bright light from the window. The children seem to be having fun despite the cleaning. Their teamwork is evident in the scene. The bright colors add energy and joy to the illustration. All 4 children are fully engaged in their activities. The mopping girl appears to have wiped a large area. The boy balancing on the mop seems to be dancing. The crouching girl is encouraging the playful behavior. The kneeling girl appears focused on her task. Water splashes near the red bucket suggest recent activity. There is no sign of adult supervision in the image. The children's playful demeanor suggests a strong bond. Their tasks are turning into a fun group activity. The stereo adds to the vibrant energy in the room. The cleaning tools include mops and a cloth. The mop handles are brown with white tips. The yellow cloth looks soaked from the water. The red bucket is almost full of water. A faint reflection of light is visible in the puddles. The child balancing on the mop has one hand in the air. Their expression suggests they are enjoying themselves. The crouching girl's laughter is infectious. The wringing girl's hands appear strong from the task. Water drops fly off the yellow cloth as it is squeezed. The stereo's music seems to energize the group. The detergent bottles are positioned neatly. The window's frame is white, complementing the walls. The teal walls make the room appear bright and spacious. The sunlight enhances the cheerful mood of the scene. The wet floor implies the cleaning has been thorough. Each child's posture reflects their personality. The mopping girl seems diligent and focused. The balancing child is playful and adventurous. The crouching girl shows curiosity and amusement. The kneeling girl is practical and hardworking. Together, they form a harmonious group. Their boots suggest they were prepared for cleaning. The wet floor shines under the bright room light. The stereo is a modern touch in the scene. The illustration uses a cartoon style. The characters are drawn with exaggerated expressions. The puddles are drawn in a shiny, reflective style. The detergent bottles have simple but clear labels. The children appear to be around 8 to 10 years old. The scene captures the essence of teamwork. The playful child adds humor to the activity. The kneeling girl is the only one directly handling water. The laughter creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The room's layout is simple and functional. The teal and brown color scheme is pleasing to the eye. The children's clothing contrasts with the room's colors. The boots protect their feet from getting wet. The image conveys a positive attitude toward chores. The balancing child adds a touch of acrobatics. The stereo's music suggests a rhythm to their actions. The crouching girl's bare feet show her comfort. The detergent bottles are essentials for the task. The window view adds a peaceful background. The children's teamwork seems to make cleaning fun. The scene combines humor, activity, and vibrancy. The puddles show movement, not just water. The children's energy is almost palpable in the image. The illustrator has carefully crafted each element. The expressions make the scene relatable and lively. The picture celebrates the joy of working together. Questions and answers practice. What are the children doing in the image? They are cleaning a laundry room. How many children are in the picture? 4 children. What is the girl on the left doing? She is mopping the floor. What is the child in the green outfit doing? They are balancing upside down on a mop. What is the girl with a ponytail doing? She is crouching and laughing. What is the girl in the striped sweater doing? She is wringing a yellow cloth into a bucket. What color is the bucket? The bucket is red. What is playing music in the background? A black stereo is playing music. What objects are on the washing machine? A stereo and a detergent bottle. What color are the detergent bottles? One is pink, and the other is light purple. What is visible through the window? A green landscape and a blue sky. What is the color of the walls? The walls are teal. What is on the floor? Water puddles and cleaning tools. What kind of boots are the children wearing? Yellow and brown rain boots. What mood does the picture convey? A playful and cheerful mood. What is the purpose of the stereo in the scene? It adds music and fun to the cleaning activity. Why is the floor wet? The children are cleaning it. What type of cleaning tools are being used? Mops and a cloth. What is the color of the cloth being wrung out? It is yellow. How do the children feel about cleaning? They seem to enjoy it and have fun together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.